Hello students, today's topic is lines and angles. So in this session we are going to learn vertically opposite angles and its property. So let us take the examples of vertically opposite angles in our day-to-day life. So in daily life we come across lots of figures which makes pair of vertically opposite angles like this. Here blades of fan, they makes an X, that is the vertically opposite angles are formed between the blades of the fan. Scissors, the legs of the scissors are also forming the pair of vertically opposite angles. Iron stand, the legs of the iron stand also makes pair of vertically opposite angles. Revolving door, this also makes vertically opposite angles. So there are lots of examples in our surrounding which makes the vertically opposite angles. So let's understand the property is vertically opposite angles are equal, as we learned in the previous classes, but in today's session we are going to prove this. So let's prove vertically opposite angles are equal. So for proving this we have to note down what is the given. So here it is given AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other at point O, and they forms the pair of vertically opposite angles as AOC angle BOD, angle BOC and angle AOD, and we have to prove these two angles are equal. That means these two pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. So here for proof, as we know that AB and CD are two intersecting lines intersect each other at point O. So here the line OB stands on CD, and we know that when on a line another ray stands on it and makes the adjacent angles. So if the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the pair of the adjacent angles known as linear pair. So here we observe that this line DC and this line OB makes the pair of linear pair. That means they makes the sum 180 degree. So we get that angle BOD and the angle BOC are equal to 180 degree. So this one is our equation number 1. Similarly, again we have the line OD stands on the line AB, or we can say ray OD stands on AB. So by the linear pair again we have angle BOD and angle AOD. These two angles are equal to 180 degree. This is our equation number 2. So by the Euclid's axiom, observe the equation number 1 and 2. We can say things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So the right hand side of the equations are equal to 180 degree. That means left hand sides are also equal. So equation 1 and 2 we can write angle BOD plus angle BOC is equals to angle BOD plus angle AOD. Okay. So again recall the Euclid's axiom, which says if equals are subtracted from equals, then remainders are equal. So here the angle BOD is in both the sides. So if we subtract angle BOD from both the sides, we get angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. So here this is the pair of vertically opposite angles and this pair is equal. That angle BOC is equal to angle AOD now. Rest, another pair of angle is, we have to prove BOD and AOC, this also equal. So for proving this, again we observe here that a ray OB, instead of line we can write here is a ray. So ray OB stands on CD line. That means again we get the pair of angles. So these are the pair of linear pair angles. That means sum is 180 degree. So here we get angle BOD plus angle BOC is 180 degree. So this one is our next equation number 3. Similarly again we observe that this ray OC stands on line AB. So by again the linear pair we can say this angle BOC and angle AOC, these two pairs are also forming linear pair. So their sum is 180 degree. Again the next equation we get fourth. Equation number 3 and 4 by Euclid's axiom. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. By using this axiom, we can say angle BOD plus angle BOC is equals to angle BOC plus angle AOD. Again, here angle BOC is in both the sides. So, things which are subtracted from the equals, that means equals are subtracted from the equals, the remainders are equal. Using this axiom, we can say that now angle BOD is equals to angle AOC. So this is the second pair of vertically opposite angles which shows they are equal. So here the angle BOD and angle AOC are equal. So this proves that if the two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal.